Canvas by Instructure down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Canvas right now, and I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Canvas by Instructure. So if you try to go to Google, to your favorite browser, and then if you search for Canvas by Instructure down, and then if you go to their status, you will see that right now there are a major outage. Large portion of Canvas clients are experiencing slow load times and errors in the US region. So now if you go back and then if you go here, you will see that right now there are over 4,000 reports. And if you go to comments, you will see some people who also have issues with Canvas right now. So in conclusion, you are not the only one who has this problem. They posted it on their status also. And you just have to wait until they fix it. So you don't have to worry, you are not the only one. So if you do have this issue, you can comment in the comment section down below on our YouTube video. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.